I grew up in Michigan and still consider Michigan home, even though I left a long time ago. So when I hear about a new Michigan-owned business, especially beauty businesses, I love supporting them. So when Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer spoke at the Democratic National Convention, I immediately noticed her lipstick. It was bold, it was powerful. And I was like, oh, wow, I need that. So that sent me on a hunt for the lip bar and the lipstick she was wearing. So the lip bar is a Black-owned business located in downtown Detroit. They create a bunch of different beauty products, but they're especially known for their lip products, especially this one, Nonstop Liquid Matte Lipstick. So this color is actually Gretchen Whitmer's color. It used to be called Playmate, if you can see that, but they renamed it Big Gretch. As you can imagine, this color keeps selling out. So it took a few weeks until I was able to get it. It came yesterday, and I have to tell you, I'm in love. So I'm dressed, I have to go to a business lunch, pretty minimal makeup because I knew I was going with this bold lip. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So it goes on liquid. The color is just fantastic, but when you put it on, it's really amazing. It is bold, it is bright, it is wonderful. Now, it took me forever to do that because this stuff is super liquidy. It's the product, it's supposed to be that way, but it dries totally matte. It takes a second to dry. So I noticed yesterday when I did it, I slatted it on like I normally do, and then I had a bunch on my teeth. So the secret to using this is a little goes a long way. It's easy to get off your teeth, but at first I was like, shoot, what did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong. It's just so pigmented, so liquidy. But then once it dries, and mine is just about dry now, you can see no shine. It's fairly matte, so much color. I wore this for a few hours yesterday. It doesn't come off when you eat. It doesn't come off when you drink. Seriously, I'm not kidding you. It's one of the best lip products I've tried. It costs less than $20. I want to say it's about $15, $16. So really not that exorbitant at all. So again, this is the Lip Bar, a small woman-owned business in Detroit, and you can order them online. They do have some of these on Amazon as well. This color I'm wearing is Big Gretch, although the box you get, if you order it, might say Playmate, all the same product. So definitely check them out. I really love everything about this, so I'm excited to have something new.